Coach, it's been a struggle in the league so far, but tonight's proved to be the night for you. A 2-1 come from behind victory. This must have given you what you needed going into the final group to secure a spot from the zone.
Yeah, I mean, we always were playing decent football. It's just that the results were not coming. I suppose it's a bit of we don't have the coordination that we need with a very new team. But tonight, the players fought really, really hard. I'm so proud of them.
The fact that you have so many new players and to keep fighting and get the win today, is a team where it is where you want it to be right now?
No, 'cause basically today I had to make some decisions that is not usual, the ones that I would have made. So it even means that I'm still learning, trying to find the strengths and weakness of our team. And today I've found some strengths that I didn't know we had until we had to make certain decisions based on the run of the game. So, yeah, it's still a work in progress. We're just pleased to get the points.
Does it give you renewed spirit that you can actually leave the group to go on and defend your title?
Well, we never ever believed that we wouldn't leave the group. We know it's going to be hard. It's still hard. We might have to depend on some results. But we always had faith that once we came and met opponents, we would fight, and try to get the points, and we did it today.
You spoke in the pre-match about how big Kevin Millen could be for this game. Watching him play tonight, what important was it to control him after Trinidad? Defense force scored that opening.
We wanted to control him before, but the truth is our best man marker wasn't on him. We had him playing another position, but I think Dwayne Allen did extremely well to control him. He was frustrated after a while, and we didn't let him do his usual tricks. Molina is a really, really good top player. We're happy he didn't play against Jamaica. We knew we would have him, but again, we were resolute that if we took him out of the game, it would increase our chances, and that's what happened. Thank you very much.
Any other questions?
Thank you very much.